somebody जो मेरे जैसी 2 लेफ्ट हैंड वाली लड़की को भी लाइव नगद मंच पर गाना सिखा सकती है। सीरियसली ये स्किल सिर्फ तासिया तारिक में हो सकता है। तासिया तारिक in honestly represented our culture, our cuisine internationally in all its glory on a platform like YouTube, and which is why she is of course our Mirchi Power 21 woman. Can I please have the video?
मिर्ची पावर वुमन तासिया तारिक। लॉकडाउन में जब पूरी दुनिया बस ऑनलाइन न्यू रेसिपीज ही देख रही थी, कश्मीर के जायकों को इंटरनेशनल रिकॉग्निशन दिलाया तासिया तारिक के सिल्वर प्ले बटन वाले यूट्यूब चैनल ने, और इसीलिए ये है हमारी इस साल की पावर वुमन मिर्ची पावर 21। More power to us.
I would like to call upon stage our renowned singer Mehdi Saeed to give away the award.
So I would like to thank each and every one of you, and especially Meher, who has always been so kind to me. And as you all know, I have a YouTube channel, Kashmir for Fusion, which has more than 1,90,000 subscribers at present. We also receive a silver play button from YouTube, and it's just a small initiative to keep our culture alive and to teach the people, and I'm myself learning this as well. So thank you everybody for your patience and